Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Madhu, your trainer. So today the workout which I'm going to show you is a beginner's exercise for the abs. So how to do this for the beginners for the abs exercise? You need to contract, you need to engage your core all time whenever doing exercise and breathe in and breathe out. So it's very important because 80% of your muscle carries for the working muscle. Why I told you is like you need to engage your core, because most of the people they just keep doing crunches all the time. They'll get up and they end up with the cervical pain and the lower back pain. So in this video I'll just show you how the posture has to be there. In each rep of exercise you need to contract your muscle and you're not supposed to relax. Before we start the workout, the warm-up is very important. Warm-up is very important for your body to avoid your injuries. So I'll show you 4 warm-up exercises before starting abs exercise. One is neck rotation, second one is shoulder rotation, third one is hip rotation, and the fourth one is ankle rotation. These 4 warm-up exercises you need to do clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 to 15 times. After warm-up, first exercise is upper crunches. So I'll just show you in the video how to do this upper crunches. The most of people they just do this way to end up with a cervical injury. To avoid the cervical injury, you need to keep your chin always up and you need to crunch with your abs. Most of the people get up with their lower back and there's support of the cervical. So that is wrong exercise. The second exercise is leg raises. The leg raises, while doing it, most of the people they take support of the lower back and they end up with the back pain. So you can take a hand support behind like this. I've shown in the video. So your legs has to be only 45 degrees up and your toes should be pointing outside. And third workout is reverse crunches. I will show you in the video how to do this reverse crunches. So make sure with all 3 exercises your core has to be engaged all the time. So don't let it be free. So each rep you need to squeeze, relax, squeeze and relax. So breathe in while coming up, breathe out while going down. So make sure 15 to 20 repetitions of each exercise. And gradually we can increase it to 20 to 25 into 4 sets. So each rep when you're doing, you need to take 2:2. It's nothing but 2 seconds to go out and 2 seconds to come in. So each rep is 2:2. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Once you've done these 3 exercises of abs, next we'll be moving on to the core. Like 3 exercises, which is that one is the plank, second one is pelvic bridge, and third one is 2-point stand. So plank is very important to make sure your core has to be very tight. And second one is 2-point stand, which gives you lower back and the glute muscle and the balancing your body. And third one is pelvic bridge, which is very good for your lower back and the glutes and hamstrings. So when you do plank, most of the people, the back will be arched like this or the hip will be up. So that is very wrong. So when you're doing it as shown in this video, the back should be very flat and your core should be engaged, and breathe in, breathe out. Try to hold it for 45 seconds to 1 minute and gradually can increase the seconds, like 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And 2-point stand is very good exercise for your body balancing and your glute muscle. So I've shown this video, you can see, check, you can do this the same way, like 45 seconds to 1 minute. And third, last one is pelvic bridge. This is very good exercise for lower back. So on this, you can see in this video I've shown this. So your back should be always up with the glute muscle and it should be like a bridge. After 20-30 seconds, you start feeling on your glute muscle and lower back muscle. This is very good for your lower back exercise. That's all guys for the abs exercise. And this is for the beginner exercise, and I'll be coming up with the intermediate level for the workouts for the abs. Subscribe to our channel, and please, if you have any doubts, please get back to us and we'll be replying back to you.